Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the detecting and correcting the error using the Hamming code. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. The Hamming code is one type of code that is used to detect the error as well as make a correction in the error. So this problem based on the detecting and making correction in the given error. The Hamming code is given. We need to identify if any error is there. If any error is there, we need to rectify that error. Framing the Hamming code available in separate video. We'll see the problem. Assume that the even parity Hamming code. So we are using the even parity. The example is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. The Hamming code is this value 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 is transmitted, and that is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 is received, right? The answer is also given. This is the received code, this is the transmitted code. So answer is also given. We will check the we will verify the answer also. The received code does not know what is transmitted. Determine the bit location where the error has occurred using the received code. Right, so by using the received code we need to identify the bit location and we need to make a correction, and finally we can verify with this code, framing code. The answer is also available. Right, first we will see the bit location, how to frame the bit location. So the bit location is 1 2, the bit location 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In this, these three are parity bit, P1 P2 P4 are parity bit. D3, D5, D6, D7 are information bit. The detail available in separate video. This parity bit normally located in 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 1 2, 2 to the power 2 4, 2 to the power 3 8, like that it will store. 2 to the powers it is storing, that is 1 2 4 8 16 32, like that. So based on that it is located in P1 P2 P4, remaining automatically the data D3 D5 D6 D7. So the received code is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1, right? So this is the received code. Now we need to identify what is the error. First we will verify the P1. So the P1 will verify 1 3 5 and 7. So that is also available in the video. That is P1 1 is available in the LSP. Wherever 1 available it will verify. So in the D3 1 is available, D5 1 is available, D7 1 is available. Right, the 1 is available in LSB in 1 3 5 and 7. So that P1 will verify 1 3 5 and 7. So in the 1 the value is 1 is available, in 3 0, 5 0, 7 also 0. So only 1 is available. Only 1 means odd number, but the parity is given here is the even parity, right? So odd number of 1, even parity means this value will be 1. We need to frame one code. In that P1 is refers the 1, right? P1 value will be 1 because in this P1 will verify 1 3 5 7. In 1 3 5 7 only 1 is available, so that the resultant code will be 1 because odd number, the parity given is even number, so that it be 1. That is a LSB. LSB is 1. I will give the description later. So the P1 value is 1. Then we'll go to P2. P2, the 1 is available at the middle. Wherever 1 is available at the middle, it will be verified by P2. Where it is available in D3 is available. Third location 1 is available. 4 is not available, 5 is not available. 6 and 7 also available. So it will verify 2, 3, 6 and 7. Right? It will verify the location, second location, third location, 6 and 7. In second the 1 is available, in third 0 is available, in 6 another 1 is available, in 7 0 is available. So 2 1s are available, 2 3 6 7, the number of 1s are 2. So 2 means even number, so even parity is given. So even number of 1s, even parity means the resultant value will be 0, right? The P1 we already identified 1, P2 now we identified as 0. Now we'll go to P4. P4 1 is available in the MSB. Wherever 1 is available in MSB, that will be verified by P4. Where it is available in fifth position 1 is available. 6th position 1 is available, 7th position also 1 is available in MSB. So that P4 will verify 4, 5, 6 and 7, right. So wherever 1 is available, it will be verified by P4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, the 1 is available in the MSB, right. So 4, 5, 6, 7. In 4, 5, 6, 7, only 1 is available. So 1 means odd number. The parity given is even parity. So the resultant value will be 1, right. So P1 we identified 1, P2 we identified 0, P4 we identified as 1. Now we'll see the description. Says for P1 will check 1357. In 1357 only one is available, odd number, but parity is even. For R number, even parity means the value will be 1. The even parity is wrong because odd number is there, is 1. 1 is taken as LS. We are going to frame the code. In that code, this 1 is located in LSB. We will see P2 and P4. Similarly, P2 will verify the location 2367. In 2367, there are 2 ones are available. 2 means even number. We are using even parity. Even number of ones, even parity means it is 0, right. The center bit will be 0. For P4 will verify the location 4, 5, 6, 7. In location 4, 5, 6, 7, the number of ones are only 1 is available. 1 means odd number. Even we are using even parity. For even parity, the number of 1 is odd means the value will be 1. So this will be MSB. We already decided LSB is a middle bit is available. This is the MSB. So we need to add all. We need to frame this code 1, 0, 1. LSB 1, middle bit 0, MSB also 1, right. So this one, what is this 101? 101 is nothing but 5, right. So by using the binary code 101 means 4, 2, 1, right. We give the weightage 8, 4, 2, 1. So 8 is not available. So here 1 is available, 4. Here also 1 is available, 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. The resultant value will be 5, right. So from P1, P2, P4, we framed the code. That code is 101. For that code, the binary number is 5. What is the indication? That there is a error in the 5th position. There is a error in 5th position. What is the error? If it is 0, it should be changed into 1. If it is 1, it should be changed into 0. So the given number is 0, 1, 000, 111, right? The 5th bit already is 0 is there, but there is a error. So the 0 should be changed to 1. So 0, 1, 1, 00, 11. So this is nothing but the given answer. The Hamming code already given in the problem. That is nothing but 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, right. So 5th position there is a error. That error is nothing but 0 is available in the 5th position. That 0 is now converted into 1, right. So this matching with the answer given in the problem itself. So that the Hamming code what we framed is correct, right. So we verify P1, P2, P3. From that we framed the word 101, LSB, middle and MSB. 101 means 5th position. In the 5th position error, we identify the 5th position is error. What is the error? 0 is available. Error means 0 should be converted into 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 is the final answer. That also given in the problem. So in this problem we discuss the Hamming code, how to locate the error in the Hamming code, and also how to make a correction in the corresponding location. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.